How to use dual Instagram apps on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to use dual Instagram apps in iPhone, you will need to download a third-party app from the App Store as you cannot directly use dual Instagram apps from iPhone itself. So go ahead and open App Store and search for dual accounts and download the app further. Once downloaded, launch the application and tap on the plus symbol you see on the top right of your screen. Now select Instagram and tap on tick mark you see on the top right of your screen and go ahead and enter the username of your account and then tap on the submit button, and with this the account has been added. You can now use one Instagram from homepage itself and the other Instagram from dual account application. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.